Promoting wellbeing is a huge part of our curriculum here, because really the primary need of the young people that attend our centres is their wellbeing and to support that. And then with Louise, she creates life-changing learning opportunities whilst providing these experiences for young people where they feel at ease, where their confidence is built and where they feel really valued and secure in her presence.
Well, firstly, the centre, as you know, it's focused around supporting young people with mental health struggles and, mental health trauma, basically. Man am yn Key, basically social enterprise project put together by Louise with the aim of prioritising people's passions first and to support their well-being before just going into exams. And before joining the centre, 24/7 in bed, depression. From then, worked with Louise, built confidence, made me who I am today and made me comfortable to be who I am and express myself.
She's just always so enthusiastic about everything, and I don't think I've ever seen her have a down day. She's always so upbeat, and I've just never seen someone think so big and really just go for it and grab it and get it, and I think that's what she's achieved. I think that's why she deserves to win.